Happy birthday pala po sa mga gusto binigay po. Salamat sa lahat na binigay mo sa akin. Tulad ng sa aking trabaho ngayon po. At ikaw po yung pinakamabait na siya ko po. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Ninang. Ang wish ko sa iyo, good health and more birthdays to come. Para sa kumpanya, gusto kong bumalik ang dating sigla ng trabaho nang makabalik agad ang mga nagbakasyon. Maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat sa pagbibigay mo sa aming trabaho kung saan dito kami kumukuha ng isabubuhay araw-araw. God bless. I love you.
Ninang, happy birthday po. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. And sana palagi kang malakas na iyong pangangatawan. At thank you sa lahat.
Happy birthday. Sana lagi kayo malakas at makatulong kayo sa lahat ng tao. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na tulong. Thank you.
Navet, happy 60th birthday. I hope more good health, long life, happiness to come, and thank you very much for all the things I give you and for giving me a chance to work with your family. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Hi Janet, my warm greetings to you on your birthday. Hope that you'll have a very long, everlasting happiness in your life. Promise, I'll minimize my mistakes. Happy birthday.
Hi Tita, good morning. Happy 60th birthday. Wish ko to you good health and happy life. Promise ko what we had planned, magtatapos sa aking pag-aaral. Hanggang mag-15 lang ako sana sa pag-stay ko na hanggang 15 sana makasabot.
Ninang, another year has passed by, but it doesn't mean to forget. Today is a new year for you to face and to celebrate. Happy birthday po. Isang happy birthday po. Maraming salamat po sa opportunity na naging bahagi po ako ng pamilya Sherman at pamilya Villanueva. Wish ko po sa birthday niyo pong ito na sana po maraming dumating na blessing at more birthdays to come at siyempre good health po.
Hi, Tita May. Happy birthday. Wish you all the love and God bless always. Andito na po ako sa LCT Manila. Thank you po sa pagbibigay niyo sa akin ng opportunity na makapagtrabaho muli. Kahit na nakasama ako sa bakasyon, tinuwalaan niyo pa rin po ako na ipakita ko ang abilidad ko na kapagtrabaho muli dito sa LCT Manila. Huwag na kayo ng po.
Happy 60th birthday po, Tita May. We are so fortunate to have you because you are a great leader, excellent entrepreneur, and a perfectionist. I wish you for good health and a happy life and less stress life. Para da ikaw na po matagis na ako, I will try to be more responsible in my job. Thank you po ulit and happy birthday po.
As you are truly God's blessing to others, may He in turn bless you with good health, peace, and lots of love in your heart. Happy birthday, Chanel. As I'm completing my retirement, my birthday gift to you is to pass on all my knowledge I've learned from you to the Shellmed Manila staff I will left behind. Thank you for Shellmed and the Villanueva family for heartfully accepting my daughter, Shobel. Thank you po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do, thanks to you for teaching me how to